Okay, so we're out here at Coeur d'Alene, Idaho today at the Gator event, hunting for horsepower, and we got the DRod here finally. We're going through some stuff on it. We noticed when we were spooling this thing up at the shop, the injectors were a little bit big in it. So we're gonna put a smaller set of injectors in it right here in the parking lot. We're gonna change the oil, change the filter on it. We're gonna put some paddle tires on this thing and go dirt drag it. So it's gonna be great. As you can see, it's a cool event. Look at all these guys. These are all our cool people out here. Hey guys, how's it going? You guys wanna get on here? You wanna say something? You wanna say something or what? There you go, welcome to Coeur d'Alene, see? So anyway, yeah, we're gonna be out here having a good time today. All the vendors are here. There's a bunch of cool people here today. You know, of course, it's like a family every time you come to one of these events. So anyway, we're gonna get this thing fired up and get it out on the dirt. Okay, so what we did is we changed the injectors on this thing. We put a little bit smaller injector in this so this thing will light up. My biggest problem was I was getting so much fuel that it won't build any power off the bottom end. It's flooding the cylinders basically is what's happening. So we put a smaller injector in it. Hopefully this thing will light up. We're gonna take it out here on the street, see if we can get it to light. If it does, we're gonna come directly back here, put the paddle tires on it, drop all the oil out of it, change oil, put a new filter on it, and be ready to go dirt drag this thing. It's gonna be fun. Sounds like it's spooled up pretty good. You gotta be real easy when you get into the throttle. If you put too much throttle down, you're gonna flood the cylinders on this thing. So it takes a minute to really get this thing spooled up. You gotta kind of ease into the throttle, start to build boost slowly. Once you get up into the boost, then you can mash the throttle and give it all she wants. So I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna go out right now and see how it goes. We're gonna finish putting these wheels and tires on and go give it hell. Okay, so we're getting ready to go make the second run on this car. First run felt really good. Now it's time to see what we can do on the second run. So let's go check it out. Okay guys, we're finishing up out here at the Hunting for Horsepower. We got to make a couple of passes with the DRod. It did great. It felt really good. Unfortunately at the end, we broke a fuel line, which made all kinds of problems. It runs rough. I don't want to run it with a broken fuel line because it caused problems. We were gonna fix it, but at the end of the day, we said screw it. I felt really good about what happened today. It was a ton of fun. The car made good power. I feel like we can get a little bit more out of it if we want to. But right now I'm happy. I'm happy with the way it went. So hopefully next year we'll be back out here to kick some butt, maybe bring something else with us. But I'm happy. I can't wait to get to the sand dunes with this thing and get these paddle tires in the sand dunes. It'll be fun. So here we are with our northern Idaho boys, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
So what's up with you, dude? You must hook up the dyno, right?
That's what we did today, yeah.
Who did?
We were on
Just
the
you?
dyno.
You guys, all three of you guys?
We had one more guy, but he had to dip out. So.
You must have been on the You must have been on the tailpipe.
I was on the tailpipe. I was on the rear, right side.
How'd you stay so clean?
He just drank beer.
I didn't get on the dyno. Like they kicked me off because of my fucking tires.
Oh, your tires were shitty?
Yeah.
Had some weather tracking going on.
Hey, this is what I want to know. If you dyno your truck while you're drinking, is that technically drinking and driving or not really?
You know what? They will not dyno you if you're drinking.
Really?
They will not.
I didn't see any drivers
they
with
won't.
beers in their hands.
Yeah,
but-
come on.
I
I didn't even have beer when they checked my tires and they weren't good.
See, I don't technically think that you should get like a DUI if you're dynoing.
Right.
Because your car's not moving.
Well,
Right.
Just your tires.
If you're just having a good time.
something goes wrong, 'cause we're strapping that sucker
Yeah,
down, you know?
yeah, they should get the DUI because
No.
you're strapping it down.
No.
Yeah.
No, he's been
Technically,
driving
it would be your
we
fault.
shouldn't
Yeah,
get
we
the DUI.
weren't able to drink
You
all
weren't
day
allowed to.
long, man. We've been here since 7.
Well,
It's been a long day.
So anyway, here we are. We've been working out all day in the sun. Well, they have.
I've been trying to get my truck on the dyno since I heard about, 2019, hunting for horsepower. And then they kicked me off the fucking deal because of my
I'm
tires.
pretty sure you can't say
Pissed me off.
So what was wrong with your
I can't
tires?
say
Did you-
fucking. Fuck.
Hey, so on your tires, would you still have like snow tires on there, or you got the little?
that would be pretty serious.
They're pretty good. I mean, they had a couple cracks in them, but they said no.
Just
They're
a lot
afraid
of
they're gonna
flush.
come
I go
apart.
80 miles an hour down the road every day with my tires, and they said no.
Just getting a
That's
safety
fine.
point.
You know,
Well, how much horsepower do you think your truck would have put on the dyno?
I think
What do you drive? First of all, what do you got?
a 5.9 Cummins. It's an old truck, first gen truck. 93.
So 190 horse.
Yeah, I mean probably 190 horse.
Hey,
Maybe a little bit more because I popped the
Did you
V
turn?
pump up.
Oh, you did?
know?
Did
Yeah.
you turn it up a little?
Yeah, a little.
Put
bit.
a little timing in the pump, did you?
Yeah, I did actually. I turned it
Did
up
you
a little
ratchet
bit.
strap it?
A little bit.
They
Yes,
did,
I
yeah.
did.
Yeah. That's the ghetto
It's
timing.
It's
Well, what do you
know,
do?
what do you?
With ours?
The
Yeah.
YouTube thing.
Oh, I just pull them off, put a P pump on them.
Yeah. A P pump for sure.
Yeah.
Would be good.
That's how we tune ours up. All right, well here we are. Out the dirt drags. These guys are hanging out.
Drinking
North
free
Idaho,
beer.
baby.
That's right, North Idaho. pretty good.
I should have kept